today we are going to learn animals' names in Igbo. Horse, ịnyịnya, ịnyịnya horse. Atụrụ, sheep. Ewu, goat. Udele, vulture. Agụ, leopard. Ọdụm, lion. Ngwere, lizard. Enyi, elephant. Nkịta, dog. Ọkụkọ, chicken. Nnụnụ, bird. Oke bekee, rabbit. Enwe, monkey. Anwụnta, mosquito. Ọchịcha, cockroach. Oke, rat. Ehi, cow or cattle. Ezi, pig. Arịrị, millipede. Akpị, scorpion. Akpị, the one you found on the dog, ticks. Akpị, not the pronunciation. Agwọ, snake. Eju, snail. Awọ, toad. Akịrị or akịrị, frog. Nshịkọ, crab. Oporo, prawns. Ọsa, squirrel. Mpere, bat.